Now next computer problem is write a program to accept perpendicular and base of right angle triangle and calculate and display hypotenuse, area and perimeter of the triangle. So for that, let's create new class and give it name triangle. Open editor. Now here delete sample program. Now first line, as usual, main class. So public static void main string args then this curly braces, and after that, first of all, we need to declare the variables. Int base. For base we can write base comma perpendicular we can take like this, and then semicolon. Then we can again declare other variables with the data type double, and those are area, perimeter, and then hypotenuse. For hypotenuse we can take height, and then semicolon. After that we are going to use that input stream reader. So we are going to inputting value at runtime. So for that, input stream reader then read is equal to new input stream reader then bracket start and then system.in next line is we need to type buffer reader in is equal to new buffer reader and then read. Now by writing this line we have allocated the buffer and we have created an object with the help of new operator. Now next is now we need to give the output statement system dot out dot println we have to give the message so that it should activate that input screen. So what message? We need to accept base and perpendicular from the user, as it is the user defined statement. So enter base or value of base for triangle, and then same we can copy it and change the message for next line. Now here we can change, enter the value of perpendicular. Now let's type the statement to get the value from user, input statement at runtime. For that, perpendicular and base. First of all, we are going to take value for the base. Base is equal to integer dot parse int, and then in dot readline. Readline, this function we are calling with the help of in object, and then we are going to take value of perpendicular from the user at runtime with the help of input stream. It is integer dot parse int, and then in dot readline. Now, as we have taken the two values from the user, now we are going to give computation statement for all the three things, which is area, perimeter, and hypotenuse. Let's calculate hypotenuse is equal to, for this we need to call that math function. Math, which function? sqrt. Sqrt function for perimeter square plus base square. So for that we need to check base square can be written like this: base into base plus perpendicular into perpendicular. Bracket close, semicolon, hit enter. After calculation of hypotenuse, we are going to calculate area. For area, we all know that it is half area of triangle, the formula half multiplied by base multiplied by perpendicular. And third thing is perimeter. For that, let's give the computation statement, which is also known as calculation statement or formula. Perimeter, we all know that for perimeter we give the value base plus perpendicular plus hypotenuse. So now three output statements are required. To get the output for these required values, so let's change here. Hypotenuse, then here we can change it over here, that area, then here we can change perimeter. Let's check closing brackets. Now, now let's compile it. It says no syntax error. Save this. Close it. Now let's execute this program. Now it is going to ask values from us. Enter the value for base. Let's give it 10 and hit enter. Now enter the value of perpendicular for triangle. Let's give it 24. Hit enter. Now it says enter the value of hypotenuse for triangle 26. Now enter the value of area. Area it hasn't given us accurate value. Let's check the formula. Let's go back. See, while compiling, after compilation, it has given us only, it has shown us what? Only syntax error. Now let's go back. Not logical error. Logical error we can check by manually calculation. And see, after compilation, it only gives us syntax error. We need to check why it's not giving us answer for area. So let's write here float, and then we need to put the braces over here and see if we have answer. Now there is no syntax error, but we need to check if it gives us right answer now. So let's run it by giving 10 for base and then 24 for perpendicular. See, it has shown us now hypotenuse, area as well as perimeter. Thank you.